You're dealing with expanding expressions with fractions. It's the same concept. Whatever you're going to have on the outside, what's happening, Alyssa, with this fraction? What are you going to do with everything on the inside?
You're going to divide it all by 5.
Yeah, but what's this timesing it? Well done. Because between this fraction and the bracket, there's actually a multiplication. Okay, that's the stuff that you need to understand the most. So when we expand this, draw your arrows. Don't be shy with that. Okay, what does that mean? 4 over 5 times 15x, okay, plus 4 over 5 times that by 2. That's what that means. You're multiplying everything on the outside. That's with everything on the inside. You've got to know the operation. That there is the operation. That, look guys, have a look at this here. 2x plus 3.
So would it be 60?
It's literally the same thing. So here, okay, there's two ways to do this question. The first way is to do 4 times 15. This is the longest way, which is 60x over 5 plus 8 over 5. Then you have to simplify it. Can you simplify 60x over 5?
Yes.
Yeah, you can divide top and bottom by 5.
12.
Yep, well done. Which is 12x over 1 plus 8 over 5, which is 12x plus 8 over 5. Yeah, but we don't write 1. Shh. Year 10s, you don't write 1. Okay, it's going to be 12x plus 8 over 5. Now, the other way to do this question is 4 over 5 times 15x plus 4 over 5 times by 2. Now, if you're so good at your fractions and you remember this part about fractions, what you're going to do, you can cancel top and bottom. Who remembers this? Who remembers this? Put your hands up. That's how you do it quickly. Okay? Like, for example, if we did this question when it says 4 over 10 times 5 over 2. Okay? You can cancel, cross-simplify. 1 and 2. Why? Because they both have 2 as a highest common factor. Then, what about these two numbers, Olivia? They can both divide by what number? 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then you multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 2 times 1 is 2, okay? And then you simplify it, it becomes 1. But in this scenario, you don't have that. What do you have? 5 and 15. What do they both have in common, Vanessa?
3.
Yeah? 5. Yeah, they both have 5. Yes, I know what you did because you've simplified that and you got 3. So they both have 5 in common. 15 divided by 5 is 3, like Geordie just said. Now you have 4 times 3 is what? 12x. Put your hands up if you understand that part. Okay? You simplified this area and then you got 12x plus 8 over 5. This method is quite long, as you can see. Because you have to simplify it. This method, if you know your fractions from year 8, 9, this is this part here where you need to work on, which is simplifying that top and bottom. Okay? Same thing here. With this question here, what are you going to do? So this part here, you're just going to draw your arrows. So let's just keep this part separate. Okay? So this part here, you're just going to draw your arrows. Okay? Just do that part first, because that's what you know. This is going to be quite overwhelming because you got fractions. Now you have 2 over 9 times 10x plus 2 over 9 times 4. Now you're going to simplify. Does this top and bottom have something in common? 10 and 9? No. So what are you going to do? You're going to multiply this numerator with this numerator. What does that equal to, Aaron? 2 times 10x. Sorry? 2 times 10x. Yeah, so 2 times 10x is going to be 20x. over 9 plus 2 times 4. Does this have anything in common, the 4 and the 9? No. Okay, so it's going to be 2 times 4 is 8 over 9. Can you simplify that even more? Can you put them all under the same denominator? Yes. Okay, you can write that out like this, 20x plus 8 over 9. You're probably wondering, what in the world? Okay, if I said this, 1/4 plus 2/4, what does that equal to? 3/4. They both have the same denominator, so you can put them. Same thing here, guys. Look at this. This is one term, and then the other term. They both have the same denominator, so you can put them over the same number. Okay, so I'm just going to pause there.